Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and it's time for another page in the MPKS page-by-page collaboration. MP stands for Miss Paintalot, and KS stands for Kyung Shotwell. I'm not part of the collaboration, however, I am following along because I thought it would be fun. So the prompt for this week is numbers, and I'm doing my pages before I see what they do, even though I'm posting it afterwards, because, I don't want to horn in on their collaboration. I just want to have fun and follow along. Okay, having said that, today's numbers. So this is going to be an easy page, because I just had this idea of this kind of a grungy page, and then a clock with all gears falling out. That's it. All we're going to do is put the stuff on the page. I have spent, I don't know how long, inking everything in black. My hands were covered in black, and I still have some black ink on, even though it's supposed to be water soluble and you're supposed to be able to clean it off. So it's not that I'm just walk around with dirty hands. I just happen to have black ink all over my hands. So I'm using black soot, as you can see. Should have not set it down. Never set it down this way on a glass surface. You'll end up with it all over. Now I've also got these black bulb pens, and I've got this charm, and to me it kind of looks like the pendulum of a clock. Hold it for a second for the camera to focus in on it. And I'd like to use it somewhere, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. Now the way the page is going to go in the signature is, it's going to be, there's 1, there's 2, here's 3. So we have to make sure that nothing sticks off the page on this side. So I'm thinking that I might have the clock stick up a little bit off the top, hence I inked the whole back of it. Very grungy. Okay, so now I want to make sure that the 12 is at the top. Okay, and so we're going to back it on this black paper and then put the whole thing in the book. All right. So, or the signature. So now there's no cutting involved. This is, I already cut all this out. And all that good stuff. And so all that part's ready to go. Now you can use whatever you want. Just use some whatever idea that you have that would work with numbers. That's all there is to it with this one. So I'm going to get out my glue, and I need to glue these gears to where it looks like they're coming out of the clock. But in order to do that, I think I need to do the gears first and then lay the clock down on top to where it looks like the gears are coming out. So I want to put some glue on the gears. This is going to be like the quickest page ever. I did all the work ahead of time. I figured you didn't want to watch me sit here and ink all these little gears. I'm just guessing that that is something you would not want to watch. Now, if I guessed wrong, in the comments below, say, no, Terry, we wanted you to ink all of those gears in front of us, and please do so next time. And so next time I will. And I just want you guys to know that I am starving this time, and it's still you guys' fault, because I know that you're eating behind my back while you're watching this. I just know you are, because it's just what happens. All right, so now, oh, what if we put these little gears at the top? I guess I should have thought about this a little bit more. Is this going to fit if I do it this way? Let's just go with our original plan, which was to have it go like this. Let's see, where's our clock going to go? All right, so that's not going to work. I better hurry up or they're going to stick to the page. Okay. Yeah, see, I wanted this down further. See if I can move everybody down. Then we'll work out where to put the clock. Oh, we got a runaway here. See if I can get a little bit of glue on him without making too big of a mess. I don't mind the odd little teeny one sticking out, but I don't want one of these that might tear sticking out. There we go. Okay, so now let's glue our clock on. Let's see how we're going to do it. We want the 12 up. Okay, that'll work. That'll work. And then this can stick out the top a little bit. Okay. So let's, wait a minute. Where's our 12? Here's our 12. So if it's going to stick out the top a little bit, then we better not glue it there, huh? I want to put enough on there that I can kind of smear it around a little bit. There's our 12. Can have it come off the page like that, and gears are falling out of it. Okay, gears are falling out of the clock. All right, now, is there somewhere, say down here, that we can use one of these bulb pens? Or not pens, pins, bulb pins, to pin on the pendulum to our clock. I think maybe we could get away with putting it down here. This looks the same on either side, so we can just slap it on there, put our pin. Let's put it in and out if we can. Let's see if we can get it closed. There we go. Got a good feeling about this. I think maybe it's going to hang. Oh, yes. Right where I want. And the pendulum is falling off. Okay, so let's put it on here. I told you this page was going to be easy. Did you guys not believe me when I said? You should believe me when I tell you stuff. I'm telling you right now. All pages do not have to be hard. They don't all have to have flips and flaps and tags. Even though those are fun to do. They're fun to come up with. They're like puzzles to me, and I love puzzles. But all of them don't have to be that way. And this is kind of funny because this one's kind of next to a pretty page. Okay, my dog's going crazy because someone just knocked at the front door. Now he's looking out the back. He has no idea what's going on. I think my neighbor's home, but he'll live. Dogs bark. Someone knocked at the door. I'm expecting a TV today, but I'm pretty sure that was not it. Because the FedEx guy's not supposed to come until between 3 and 5. Okay, so there we go. We got that. We're just going to put it in our signature. Right here. I think I want to number these so that when they get taken out and put back, 4, 5. Do you know that I had to buy new pencils because these pencils, which are great, They're a 0.9 lead, which I like, which is like a number 2 pencil. You can't just buy refills for the erasers. There's refills that come with it, but yeah. So I bought new pencils that I know for sure I can buy refill. Okay, so that can't be right. I must need one more page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that just can't be right though, because that comes out to 20. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll figure it out. All right, so we're gluing this onto page 3. So let's turn this over and let's add glue to this. I like how the clock ended up sticking out of the top a little bit. I like the way the gears came out. I like the pendulum hanging off the side. I think I like the whole thing. Very simple page, but fun. I don't want my clock to have all gears running out. Now I had some other numbers, and I was going to put some of the numbers on the gears, but then I realized that all the numbers were on the face of the clock. So what were those numbers doing? And they didn't match. So let's see if I can get this on here. Let's get page 2 over here. Make sure everybody lines up. Yep. Okay. This one's a little bit bigger because of the black background, I think. Okay, it's on the page. Our pendulum is there. Kind of wish I'd put it a little bit closer to the edge, but when we get more signatures and stuff in there, you see it will hang off the side. So that's pretty cool for me. Okay, that's it for this page. Easy peasy. We even got a bulb pen with a charm hanging on it. Yay! All right. Okay, this is Terry. That's me. And I'm going to say goodbye for this time. And I'll see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and actually a day for me. Alrighty. Bye-bye.